Inday Maylin, unsa ka Maylin? Naglaba ka ng are you doing ironing, laundering, cleaning, eating, exercising? Sorry, Maylin, dako ba mong mata? Ay, wala. Nakakangkalag. Casey also is there in kalag. Mamaing. Ano siya mamaing? Ito ba mamaing Maylin? Ay! We're waving, we're waving, we're waving, waving, waving. Mama. Where is Papa? Mama, Papa. Ah, Mama Mia. Do you want me to sing Mama Mia? Maylin? Mama Mia? Okay, we'll sing Mama Mia for you, Mami Lin. Maylin! Ganda ko sa kong ilong. I have a flat nose. Alright. Okay, we'll sing for you, Maylin, ha? Just a cappella. Sorry about my voice. Okay? Okay? Okay, alright. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Casey! Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa, Mamma Mia. Here we go again, my. How can I resist you, Mamma Mia? Does it show again, my. How just a bit missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted. Since the day we parted. Why ever let you go, Mamma Mia? Now I really know, my, I could never let you go. Melina, kaya really where you been hung from Casey. Sissy Grace, thank you. I've been angry and sad about things that you do. I can't get all the times that I've told you through. And when you go, when you slam the door, I think you know that you won't be away too long. You know that I'm not that strong. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa, Mamma Mia. Here I go again, my. How can I resist you, Mamma Mia? Does it show again, my. Just so much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted. Blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go, Mamma Mia? Even if I say bye, leave me now or never, Mamma Mia. It's a game we play, bye, doesn't mean forever, Mamma Mia. Here I go.